Installing Genshin Impact on Linux is a pain, reason being its kernel-level anti-cheat system, which throws you out of the game even for thinking about cheating in the game. Over the period of time, it has become much easier with some workaround and open source apps, but recently there has been a launcher in the market, specially designed to play Genshin on Linux. In this video, we are going to be taking a look at this launcher. So as always, let's just dive right into it. So this is the name of the launcher, an enemy game launcher, and this launcher have 1.9k stars on its repository. Last update was 1 month ago, and this launcher comes with a really special feature named disabling telemetry. Now what it essentially does is that it prevents hoyoverts from collecting user data, which is used for improving the game, of course. But if you're a really privacy focused guy, then it might be a really useful option for you. So this launcher does not have any landing page right now, so we just gonna have to go with the GitHub page. It comes with a really normal and clean UI and a really nice and readable wiki too. The official support is Flatpak and RPM, and they also gave us executable files too, so you can just make them executable and run them directly. Even though this is not official, they still have community support for Arch-based distributions, NixOS, Gentoo, and third-party support for Ubuntu and Ubuntu-based distributions. For this video, I'll be using Flatpak since all of the commands are pretty much same in every Linux distribution. I'll also provide the link of wiki in the description so you can just copy paste the commands. And by the way, they also provide instructions for others, so if you're one of them, make sure to check them out. So the interface looks something like this. You can set up a bunch of things from here, like work directory for this app. If you know what you're doing, then you can manually set the directory of each component. You can choose the voice language package from here. You can also choose the version of Wine and DXVK from here. After clicking on the download, it will configure the launcher for you. And don't worry, you can configure all of the settings from inside of the launcher too. Now this process will take a minute depending on your internet speed and system specs. Okay, so when it's done, it will ask you to restart the launcher. Go ahead and do that. So now our launcher is ready. Now before downloading the game, I'll show you guys a quick look inside the settings. As I already told you, you can change a lot of things from here, even the configurations which you made in welcome page. Now make sure before hitting the download button, have enough storage to actually save it on your computer, which is after the extraction around 120 gigs. So this is surely gonna take a while, so I will meet you guys after it's complete. Okay, so after the downloading completes, you should see a button to launch the game, and after clicking on it, your game should open normally. Performance of the game will be really normal. Keep in mind that don't expect too much from it, because in the end this is running on a virtual machine, but you should be able to achieve enjoyable 60 FPS considering that you have anything besides integrated graphics. The reason why my game is lagging is because I don't have a dedicated graphics card. So this concludes the review of the launcher. If you face any issues or want to ask some questions, you can head over to their Discord server, which can be found here. This concludes today's video. I hope I didn't take too much time of yours. Let's meet in another video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and see you around.